Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix yellow tint problem in Windows 10. First method is, click Start Settings. Click System. Make sure Night Light is off condition. Second method is, click Start Settings. Click System. Click Advanced Display Settings. Click Display Adapter Properties for display. Click Color Management. Click Color Management. Check Use My settings for this device. Click Add. Select under ICC Profiles. Click OK. Click Close. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.